been a long journey. This is our 9th, 10th property, something like that. And we first renovated together about 7 years ago. And like, I've been renovating for about 10 years now, probably 10 and a half. We started with our first house, renovating it from start to finish.
And basically, we just want to tell you, we're vlogging everything that we do, and it's all on our channel for you to watch. So you can see exactly what we are going through in each renovation. We break down the mortgages for you, we show our renovations, we show how we're DIYing everything ourselves to save on costs.
Yeah, you have to save on costs today. This year, I mean, is the most relevant year to DIY where you can.
This video is like 1 out of 100 videos. We've got so much content on our YouTube channel. So go check it out now.
But before you do, we hope you enjoy this video. Yeah. And then just walk off. And then walk off. No. Now we're in the small bedroom and I removed the socket that was external, and there's like loads of joists here. I guess that's to strengthen up the end of the stairs area sort of thing. It's not going to be practical basically moving it through there with the wires and whatnot. So I'm going to bury the wires and receive them in the wall there. And I've drawn out the new area for the socket. Ooh. That's that. Just running one cable down from there for the joists. Just making sure that we don't go too high on the joist, because if you put a screw in the future, that will mess up the wire basically. Passing it through there. They're trying to use existing holes and getting it through there.
Where did she come from?
And trying to wire it up to that socket over here. Let's prise that out. Oh, that's quite handy. It came out in one piece.
Time to check out downstairs.
We have begun stripping the kitchen.
Good luck with that.
Okay, there was a socket over there, but it was an external socket, which is there. So I removed that out and I'm gonna push it into the wall. That's lath again, if you can see that in that gap. So that's really messed up stuff to work with, but it's easier than brick to go into. I'm gonna take a spur from that socket, take the wiring there, pop it out there, get it in that part of the wall. And where's the other one? There's an old socket somewhere there. Not sure if you can see. There you go. Gonna take that down up to there and make a socket there instead. But rather than taking off any boards here, this is tongue and groove joints, so they're very, very difficult to uplift. Though these ones were very easy because they were lifted up before. So we're taking advantage of that. Okay, back to this one. What I'm gonna do for this one to make life easier, let me show you quickly. I'm gonna take it inside the ceiling there, get it outside here, pass it through to there, and then get it up there between that brick, and then put my socket in the bedroom. Now that we got that exposed, I can see what boards have been lifted up over there, and then we can get it into the ceiling downstairs, if that makes sense. Obviously all the sockets are off right now. I'm gonna take that one off there, the old socket, just to see where the wire's coming from so I can work out where I want to put my junction box. Wow. Let's take that off. Okay, that's in the loop. So we'll put all the live with the live, neutral with the neutral, and the earth with the earth. Junction box it, take it down there. Bit of a closer look. There you go. It's a bit late right now to cut those boards, but what I'm gonna do is find the closest joist that's away from the socket and just draw a line there for tomorrow. And what I'll be doing is cutting that board, or that part of the long board, out and putting a junction box kind of there-ish, and then popping that into the ground of the upstairs floor and passing it through the opening which is created for the RSJ beam installed downstairs, which I showed you earlier. Okay, to find out where the joists are, there'll be loads of nails exactly where the joists are running, like that.
Can I just say, God damn it, he talks a lot.
For example, there's 2 nails here, so you know that's more or less the centre of the joint. Sorry, the centre of the joist, so the joist will be running right there. It'll be about 1.5 inches thick, depending on the load it's taking and stuff. That'll be there. So I'll be cutting the board exactly there, prying that out tomorrow, putting a junction box there, and then getting that on the corner. There you go, kept it nice and ready for tomorrow when I cut that board out. And then I'll pop it in one of these junction boxes with the new wire spurred off to there. Okay, Liz is just waiting for me and she's just doing a bit of wallpaper on the stairs. Should we start with the kitchen now quickly?
Yes.
You can leave this for Dad tomorrow.
Oh my God. She talks so much better to me when I'm recording.